What if money didn't exist? Imagine waking up and money is gone. No cash, no credit cards, no bank accounts. Would the world fall apart or evolve into something new? Would people finally be equal? Or would power take a different shape? Get ready, because what you're about to discover might completely change how you see money. Let's dive in. Why do we even need money? Money is so deeply woven into our lives that we barely question it. But before coins, paper bills, or digital transactions, how did people survive? The era. Before money, people relied on bartering, trading goods and services directly. But there was one big problem. What if no one wants what you have? Say you're a fisherman and you need shoes. You offer fish to a shoemaker. But what if the shoemaker doesn't like fish? Now you're stuck. And this is why money was created. The power of money solved the problem by acting as a universal symbol of value. It allowed trade to happen smoothly, economies to grow, and civilizations to advance. Fast forward to today, and money controls everything. Your food, your home, your future, even your self-worth. But what if it never existed? A world without money. So let's imagine a world where money was never invented. How would society function? Would life be better or much, much worse? The return of the barter system. Without money, we'd go back to bartering. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. Imagine trying to trade a cow for a smartphone. Or worse. What if you need life-saving medicine, but the doctor doesn't want what you have? The result? Unfair exchanges, massive shortages, and people struggling to survive. The rise of alternative value. Without money, humans would need another way to determine worth. And history shows we'd likely turn to a reputation-based economy, where trust and skills replace money. Instead of paying for a service, people owe each other favors. The more valuable you are to society, the more power you hold. Sounds fair, until you realize it would create an entirely new kind of inequality. Who decides which skills are worth more? Would doctors be more valuable than artists? Would some people be born into privilege just because of their talents? The power structure wouldn't disappear. It would just evolve. Would greed disappear? A world without money sounds like paradise. No billionaires, no financial inequality. But here's the truth. Greed isn't tied to money. It's tied to power. Instead of hoarding cash, the wealthy might hoard food, technology, or even water. Control over resources would create new forms of corruption. Those with influence would decide who gets what and who doesn't. In the end, the rich would still be rich. They'd just measure wealth differently. Could it work? Could a world without money actually function? The good news: small, cooperative societies could thrive by sharing and trading fairly. Advances in AI and automation might allow resources to be distributed evenly. A focus on community over competition could lead to a more united world. The harsh reality: on a global scale, it would require a complete shift in human nature. History has never seen a successful large-scale civilization without some form of currency. The desire for power, control, and influence would still exist, just in a different form. So, would you want to live in a world without money? Let's discuss in the comments. Down.